In the small town of Meg Murray, her brother Charles Wallace and their friend Calvin O'Keefe, a peculiar and extraordinary adventure begins. Meg, an awkward and insecure young girl, struggles with feelings of inadequacy and loneliness after her father, a brilliant scientist, mysteriously disappears. Charles Wallace, her exceptionally intelligent younger brother, seems to understand things far beyond his years. One stormy night, they are visited by Mrs. Watsit, a peculiar neighbor who seems to possess supernatural abilities. With the arrival of Mrs. Watsit, the children are introduced to the concept of tessing, a form of traveling through space and time by wrinkling it. Mrs. Watsit, along with her companions Mrs. Who and Mrs. Witch, reveals to the children that their father is in grave danger and needs their help. Thus begins their journey across the universe to rescue Mr. Murray from the clutches of the sinister IT, a dark force that controls the planet Camazots. Guided by the mysterious trio of Mrs. Watsit, Mrs. Who, and Mrs. Witch, the children travel through space and time, encountering strange beings and facing various challenges along the way. As they traverse different worlds, Meg learns to embrace her faults and discovers the power of love and courage within herself. With the help of her brother Charles Wallace, Calvin, and the enigmatic beings they meet, Meg confronts IT, risking everything to save her father and the universe from darkness. In a final climactic showdown, Meg must rely on her inner strength and the bonds of love to overcome the formidable power of IT. Through acts of bravery and selflessness, the children ultimately triumph, rescuing Mr. Murray and bringing light back to the universe. A Wrinkle in Time is a timeless tale of adventure, friendship, and the battle between light and darkness, reminding readers of the power of love and the importance of embracing individuality and inner strength.